Hi, I'm Eli Smith. Today, I'm going to be teaching you about the eggshell experiment. Personally, I would use this in a 7th grade science class, but really, you can use it in almost any junior high or middle school science class. For this experiment, there are 2 simple ingredients you will need. First, you will need vinegar. You also need eggs, or at least an egg, depending on how you do the experiment. It also might be useful to have a bowl or a cup. One way to do the experiment is with a raw egg. Another way to do the experiment is with a hard-boiled egg. If you choose to do a hard-boiled egg, it might be helpful to get a parent or guardian to help you. After you pull your hard-boiled egg out of the boiling water, you'll need your glass or cup and your distilled vinegar. You'll then pour your vinegar into the cup. You'll want to make sure that it's about 3/4 of the way full of vinegar. Next, you'll want to put your hard-boiled egg into your vinegar. As you can tell, once you put your egg into the vinegar, gases will be released. You'll then want to cover your bowl or cup and let it sit for 24 hours. So 24 hours after we first put our hard-boiled egg into the vinegar, you can tell that there are still gas bubbles surrounding the egg and causing it to float. Is that next, we're going to pull the egg out of the cup. Your hard-boiled egg, the hard outer shell, is actually squishy. If we take our egg and keep it out on the table in another 24 hours, we can come back and check to see how hard or how soft the shell is. Of how does our soft egg go back to being so hard after another 24-hour period of just being outside of the vinegar? Eggs contain calcium carbonate. This is what makes the eggshells hard. Vinegar is an acid, so when the calcium carbonate from the eggshell and the acid combine, a chemical reaction takes place. Carbon dioxide is released as a gas. This is what the little bubbles are. The chemical reaction will keep happening until all of the carbon in the egg is used up. Then, this is what makes the eggshell soft, because all of the carbon in the eggshell is released in the form of those air bubbles. When we leave the same egg sitting out on the table for another day, it'll become hard again. This is because the calcium that's left in the eggshell will steal back the carbon from the carbon dioxide in the air we breathe. Thank you for watching my awesome science experiment. I hope you go home and try it too. But for now, I'm going to make some omelets.